This is how my Pantry Inventory Spreadsheet works. Everything starts in the Setup tab. This is where you customize the spreadsheet so it fits your home and the way you shop. You can enter your own grocery categories, choose the units you use most often, add your pantry locations and storage areas, and list the stores you typically shop at. You also select your country so the currency updates automatically. You only have to do this once, and every other tab uses the choices you set here. Once your setup is done, you can start adding items in the Pantry and Ingredient Inventory tab. This is where you enter the item name, quantity, unit, price, store, grocery category, and where it's stored. You can also add expiration dates, and if something is past due, the spreadsheet highlights it in red automatically so you don't miss it. This tab becomes your complete list of what you have in your home. After your items are entered, the rest of the spreadsheet works automatically. In the Filter View tab, you can sort and filter your pantry by grocery category, location, storage area, price, unit, store, or item name. You can even combine filters, which makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through everything. The Out of Stock tab updates on its own too. Anything with zero quantity appears here with the price, category, store, and total cost so you instantly know what needs to be restocked. It keeps you from forgetting essentials and helps avoid extra grocery trips. Your Grocery List tab is also completely automated. It pulls items from the Out of Stock tab and gives you a ready-to-use shopping list. You can sort it by store, category, price, or item name. You can print it or use it on your phone while you shop. All the tabs work together so you only enter your items once. Everything stays synchronized automatically, making it easy to stay organized, reduce waste, and save money. If you want a simple system that shows you what you have, what you're missing, and what you need to buy next, this spreadsheet keeps your entire pantry running smoothly.